How to unlink PayPal from Netflix. If you wish to unlink your PayPal account from your Netflix account, you must first add a new payment method to your Netflix account if you currently have a subscription. And when you've added another payment method and made that one your default payment method for your subscription, then you'll be able to remove your old payment method, which could be PayPal. To do this, you can directly open your browser or go to netflix.com and go to payment settings, or for a shortcut just type in Netflix manage payment on your browser and you'll find billing and payments. So you can just go over there, or what you can do is just directly go to manage payment info page. From manage payment info page, on the next page you'll be required to sign into your Netflix account, and when you sign into your Netflix account you'll be taken to the page where you can add or remove your payment method. If you have multiple payment methods, you can remove PayPal without any issues, but if not, then first make sure to add another payment method. Remember that if it is your default payment method for subscription, unless you add another payment method, you won't be able to remove the current one. So I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.